Quick clamps. Quick clamps. Now we've tried to keep the cost of these really, really low for you because you can spend £40 each on these clamps. But I think these are really, really good tool for the job. So quick clamps, how do they work? This little red button here, we can pinch it against the frame and I can move the base up and down like this. Now if I want to close it onto a piece of wood, let's choose this one here. I get it close and then pull the handles over and over until it goes nice and tight. Once it goes tight, cinch it up, and there you go, working great. Then to release it, you press this button, and that's it, the clamp released. Now you've got one of these big ones in the kit, and we've also got these little small ones here. They work exactly the same way, like that. But these clamps have another function that you should know about. So these ones here, if we take the top off, we turn this to one side like this little button here sticks out, pull the top off. Now if I put the top on the other end, facing outwards, tighten that down by turning the handle, you can see now that they're facing away, and you can use this as a spreader, so it can spread things out. And that can be useful if you're making furniture and something's slightly bowed and you want to kind of straighten them up before you screw it together. That's how to use the clamps. We've got another section on work holding if you want to use the clamps to hold the wood whilst you're sawing and things like that. So head to our work holding section for all the information you need there.